Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to create a poll on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you have updated it, open Instagram and log into your account. Now add a picture on which one to create a poll. Once you have added it, tap on the sticker icon at the top. Select Poll. Now on your screen you will see this poll. Type a question that you want to ask. After adding a question, give options. It can be yes, no, maybe, or any other. You can add up to 4 options, then tap on the Done button. Oh, now the audience will be able to vote on your Instagram poll. When you tap on the Your Story button, and you can also go ahead and vote. This is how you can create a poll on the Instagram story. Now, if you want to create on DMs, then there is also a similar process, so tap on this camera icon which you see. Once you tap on this little camera icon, select a photo or video, and then tap on the sticker icon similarly. Now tap on the poll option. Once you've done, then tap on the Done button, and send this poll to that particular person. This way, you can create a poll on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.